That is right, folks. We are back. We are back with another video. It's been so long. Our first video was in February, and now we are back again with the hot topic novel coronavirus. Here are some important healthy tips and tricks for you to protect yourself from the danger out there, the novel coronavirus. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, folks, here we are. Some important tricks and tricks just for you to take a stand against COVID 19. But before starting the video, please, a very important job for you to do. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel and the video. Because if you don't do so, then I will not get the enough motivation and the support which I'm looking for. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification icon, like the video, and share it as well so that the other people who you are worried about can listen to the video and get a sense of calmness in their minds. And according to a survey, 100% people who watch the video are not subscribed. Please subscribe the video. It is a very important and simple job for you to do. Just click the red button right below you. Please subscribe, please. So please pay attention from now onwards because the important tricks and tricks begin right now. If you can't pay attention, bring along your family, your father, your mother, grandfather, and everyone you can find because this is a family friendly channel and a little bit of information won't harm anybody. So please pay attention with your family. And now let's begin. The first tip is a very simple tip. Your mother must be telling you this every time she walks in your room, she walks out of the room, whenever you see her. That is to wash your hands every hour for 1 minute. That's right, folks. Wash your hands every time, every hour, and for 1 minute. Bunty was right all along. You need to wash your hands for 1 minute. And you must be wondering, why is this thing related to novel coronavirus? Well, I had that question too. And it turns out the thing is that virus has a lipid envelope. Well, for the not the science one among you, the thing is that there is a outermost layering, and that layering is destroyed when we wash our hands. And by destroying that layer, the RNA is exposed to the outside environment, and by this you kill off the virus. So that's a very simple answer right there for you. And even for the people who are not taking science, the outermost covering is destroyed and exposing the RNA and all that thing. So please wash your hands for just 1 minute. It will save your life, and it really is in your hands right now. The next very important thing is not preferred by everyone because people are roaming here and there in the streets. I don't know why. They don't care for anybody's life, and they deserve to die if they are not doing this trick. The simple trick is to avoid social contact with others, which means no hugging, no handshakes, no anything. If you are living in India, you must be knowing the fact that people are going out in the street just to buy food. Well, if you are one of those families, please stop your father, uncle, whoever it is, to from going outside because it is a very dangerous environment, and moreover the police is there as well, so they you won't be treated very good. Please avoid going outside. The government will try its best to provide you with everything they can to your doorstep. And some people among you must have to go out because they are so cool if they are not going to go out. Well, for those people, you need to follow very important thing. The important thing is that wear your gloves. It's a lifesaver. Also put on some sanitizer. It won't hurt you and anything. And also put some masks on because if you don't, then you will eventually after you die. So, well, moreover, these are just the tools for a big fight. You need to fight alone, right? So use these tools and don't touch your face at all. If you touch your face, by God, the virus will enter in your nose or through your nose, or any part of your face, and then will start to multiply, eventually killing you. So please, please don't touch your face at all. And please don't go out. So these things won't matter if you don't go out. Please don't go out. Please, please, please. The next very important thing is just this tip again, I guess. The thing is, stay at homes. It is a very important thing for you to do. Stay at homes and stay protected. Because if you stay at homes, you're already avoiding all kinds of social contact. And with with this scenario at hand, with all this novel coronavirus researches and everything, the doctors, the important service agents, the police, the bankers are allowed to step out because they need to do their work, and it's very important. It's their duty to do so, to provide you all the services they can, to provide you with everything so that you can stay at your home and stay protected comfortably. And if you are one of those families with these professions in your family, then actually you are a pretty major part of the society, and hands off to you people only. We are safe at our homes. Please salute for these kinds of families who are out there. We little people right over here are protected. These guys are working. Please, please, please stay at home, at your homes, and please don't do any kind of stupid things going out of your homes and not avoiding social contact, because they are doing they are risking their lives to protect yours. You're such an important part of the society. Of course you're not important for me because you're not subscribing. Please subscribe, like, and share. Moreover, the point, you are so important for the society. Just play a huge role. Just by staying at homes, you're such godlike figures if you're staying at homes, because this is such a small thing which you can do to protect the society, to protect the mankind. Please do it. And many people might be thinking, what to do while being at homes? Well, if you're not able to find this answer, you're not looking hard enough, because the answer is right there in your bloody face. The answer, if you're still not able to find the answer, well, I have 5 tips for you, and please just go through them. I'm not going to read them out. You're not a child or anything. If you are, please find your mother and talk to her. She will tell you what to do at your homes and everything. So you must have read them by now. If you are not, then please read fast. So now moving forward, well, everything is just temporary. I'm not just reading it out from the bottom line. I swear I'm not reading. The thing is that everything is temporary. This coronavirus and everything will just go away one time. But this time will show how really strong you are. Are you able to protect yourself, the society, that prove yourself from the society, to the society, I mean, that you're stronger than the virus. And if you're not stronger than this little bloody little thing, then you're not a great part of the society. Please stay at homes. Just by staying at homes, you are proving that you are such a strong society. We have such a strong society. So please stay at homes and play your part the as a person who is doing everything it can to protect the society and basically the whole humankind, because this is not a joke over here. We are playing a huge part, and I have said this word over a gazillion times right now. But if you're not understanding if it even now, then I don't think you are a good citizen or even a good human. Please just do these little things to protect the society. And I have said it again. Moreover, if you are, I've just seen the slide, and if you can see all kinds of news all around the place, well, you must know all these news because it's in the news lately. What a sentence. And please be in a lookout if you are interested. Please be at a lookout if you are living in India, that is, what is happening in India. Because if you're not understanding, well, fear not, we are here for you. We are currently ongoing on the video what the hell is happening in India. We will tell you every kind of thing which we possibly can. We will provide you with the information about which stage we are in, what we can do to protect the society in India. So please be in a lookout for that. So that's it, folks. That's it for this video. Safety tips and tricks for you to take a stand against COVID 19, because this is the time right now. Take a stand now so you can protect the society afterwards. You can protect the humankind. And just like I have said, please like, subscribe the video, and some comment. And I have shown you this data already. Please subscribe, it will be a huge motivation. If I get enough likes, and if I don't, then also I will release the next video about what is happening in India. Till then, bye.